Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to convert any text into speech using ChatGPT. It's 100% free and unlimited, perfect for voiceovers or storytelling or YouTube videos. Okay, let's get started. First, open your ChatGPT apps, and let's say you already have a story or script like this and you want it to sound like a natural spoken narration. Just type your scripts, and on the end of your prompt, just write this prompt. Rewrite the text above into natural sounding narration for voiceover, like this. This will help make your text flow better and sound more human when spoken. And now just scroll down and look for the speaker icon, this one. Just tap on it. And ChatGPT will instantly read the text aloud using its built-in AI voice. You will notice how realistic and human-like the voice sounds.
But because you've decided fear won't be the one calling the shots. Sure.
And if you are not happy with the default voice, you can easily change it. Just tap on the three lines at the top corner, and then just go to on your profile, then tap voice, and tap this one.
Hey, it's great to meet you. How's your day going? I'm really looking forward to working on some cool stuff together.
And here you will find multiple voice options, both male and female. Just tap on each one to preview, and once you find a voice you like, just tap down to save it.
Hey, what's up? Feel free to ask me about anything that's on your mind. I'm ready to go.
And then ChatGPT will read the voice, but it doesn't let you download it directly, so just screen record it while it's playing. Most phones have a built-in screen recorder, but if yours doesn't, just download a free one from the Play Store, like X Recorder or U Recorder and many more. And then just start recording when you play the ChatGPT to let it read the full script, and then you will get the voice recording. And once you have recorded the voice, you can edit the audio using any audio editing apps. For example, Dolby On. And here's how. Just open the app and tap on this icon, and then tap import. Choose videos. Then import your screen recording. And then just use the audio tools to clean up the sound, like adjust the styles, remove noise, or even adjust the volume. And even you can also trim your audio like this.
Confidence isn't about being the loudest in the room. It's about knowing your worth, even when no one's clapping. It's stepping into challenges.
Like this. And you can also adjust the tone of your audio, like this. And when you're done, just tap share, and then select save audio, and then just save. And now you have got a clean voiceover ready to use. Whether it's for a video or a story or even an AI avatar, you are all set. And it's perfect for YouTubers, storytellers, and digital creators. And maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you!